In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple records to be printed in a report in Microsoft Access. We're going to build a small, reusable selector form that lets you pick several records at once and print a report filtered to just those items. This is perfect when you don't want to print an entire data set and only need a specific subset on demand. Start by opening Microsoft Access and your database. Create a new blank form so we have a clean canvas to work with. On this form, add a list box control and change its name property to LST records. Good naming helps later when we write the code. With the list box selected, open the property sheet. In the row source, choose the table or query that contains the records you want to print. Make sure this source includes the primary key field and a user-friendly display field such as a name or description. Set column count to 2 so the list box knows it has both the key and the display column. Set bound column to 1 so the list box returns the key value, which we'll use to filter the report. If you prefer to hide the key from view, you can set the first column's width to 0 in the column widths property, but keep it bound so the ID is still captured behind the scenes. Next, in the list box property, set multi-select to either simple or extended. Simple lets you click to toggle items on and off. Extended allows shift-click to select ranges and control-click to add or remove individual items. Either choice will work, so pick the one that matches how your users prefer to select. Now add a command button to the form and name it BTN Print. Give it a clear caption like print selected so users know what it does. With the button selected, go to the property sheet, open the event tab, and find onClick. Click the 3 dots and choose Code Builder to open the VBA editor. Here, add the logic that collects the selected items from LST records and opens your report filtered to those IDs. In plain terms, you'll loop through the list box's item selected collection, read the ID from the bound column, build a comma-separated list, and then pass a where condition to docmd.openReport. The filter typically looks like your key field followed by in. Replace the field and report names with your actual ones and include a friendly message if nothing is selected. Save your form, switch to form view, select multiple records using your chosen multi-select mode, and click the print button. Access will open the report preview showing only the records you picked. That's it. Clean, controlled printing from multiple selections done the right way.